We are excited, but we're doing this year in migrant education a very unique approach to infusing the college-going culture into the migrant population. And today we have 4th and 5th graders who are taking a class at South Texas College in computer programming and assembly.
We're really excited about it because we're showing them how to be, we're showing them technology, specifically the Raspberry Pi and the open source hardware platform. We're really excited because it's a collaboration between McAllen ISD's Migrant Education Program, Continuing Education, as well as our programs at Computer Advanced Technologies. And students are being exposed to technology now. They're seeing the futures in their hands today, and we're connecting them to actually where they could be after they graduate from high school.
Perfect. If it's not, then turn it around.
I'm really excited because I love computers. I love working with computers at home. I love helping people with computers. If they have a problem or something, I could fix it.
Is this something that you're going to do once you get older? Are you going to do this again and come and take that?
Yes, I'd love to come here and go to school in this place.